guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I'm going to share to you the cheapest and most affordable Louis Vuitton bags. Yes, so I'll be providing everything here. Prices, SKUs, features of these very beautiful bags. You know our practice. If you like anything here, kindly take a screenshot and check the website or your CAs for orders and availability. So I'm inviting you guys, so please make sure you watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fan. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Premiere52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Happy Louis Vuitton Day, guys! For today's episode, I will be sharing most affordable Louis Vuitton bags under 2,000 USD before tax. We will concentrate on Monogram Canvas bags. Leather bags will be on separate vlog. Prices are before taxes and up to date as of January 10th, 2024. Prices, SKU features are included. Happy shopping, guys! Alright, for top 27, we have Speedy Bandolier 35. Price is 1,960 USD. This is made of Monogram Canvas, and guys, kindly take note the size is 35 centimeters. Best part is it comes with detachable vachetta strap. Next, top 26, we have the Noé bag. Price is 1,960 USD. Just be careful, guys, of the untreated or the vachetta leather of this one, but this is a good size bag. It comes with drawstring closure as well. Next, we have my personal favorite, the Alma size PM, 1,960 USD. Take note that the size PM is around 32 centimeters across. It doesn't come with a crossbody strap, but you could attach any strap that you have on your collection. Then we have top 24, the Micro Métis, one of the newest bag of LV. Price is 1,900 USD. This is the exact replica of the classic Pochette Métis, but in the micro version. So just be careful that this is very small and would not fit a lot of our stuff. Then we have the newer bag of our style, top 23, the Nano Noé BB. Price is only 1,900 USD. This is a good size bag, and I love that it comes with top handle and crossbody strap. Next, we have number 22, Speedy Bandolier size 30. Price is 1,890 USD. So as we are going to see, this is a bandolier version, so it means that it would come with unadjustable and detachable vachetta strap. Next, we have the very beautiful graceful MM number 21. Price is 1,890 USD. So this is a slouchy hobo bag style. The top handle is non-detachable. I love the slouch effect, and it comes with a very beautiful bag tag. Then the latest or the newest style, top 20, we have the high-rise bomb bag. Price is only 1,850 USD. So this is one of the most sought after bags as of the moment. So as you could see, that the strap that it comes with is the canvas strap. Then this is one of my bags. We have number 19, the Petit Sac Plat. Now the price is 1,830 USD. So this is a micro bag style that it comes with detachable and non-adjustable leather strap. Then we have the Speedy Bandolier size 25 at top 18. Price is 1,830 USD. I'm sure now you are familiar that if it's a bandolier, it would come with a detachable strap. Then we have the very cute Nano Speedy at number 17. The price of this one is 1,760 USD. This is a micro bag style. If you have an iPhone Max version, it would have difficulty fitting inside, but if it's an iPhone Pro, it would fit definitely. Then at top 16, we have toiletry pouch on chain. Price is 1,760 USD. So this is the latest reiteration of the classic toiletry pouch on chain. It would come with two, size 26 and size 15. Then we have the graceful size PM at top 15, price at 1,760 USD. The top handle is non-detachable. It is a wide shoulder strap and it comes with bag tag. Next, another personal favorite of mine at top 14, we have the Alma size BB. Price is 1,760 USD. Guys, most of these Monogram Canvas would come in the Dame Ebene and the Dame Azure version, which also would have the same price. So kindly check the website out or check with your CA. Then we have the newer style Nano Alma. Price is 1,760 USD at number 13. I am feeling that they have lowered the price of the Nano Alma. Almost, it's actually the same price at Alma BB because I've discussed before, this has higher price than the Alma BB. And then we have the Ivy wallet on chain, another new bag from LV at top 12. Price is 1,760 USD. Guys, this is a wallet on chain, so you have to be careful of the things that you're going to bring. This is good for a party or a date night out bag. Then at top 11, we have the Petit Noé, price at 1,690 USD. So as you're going to see, this is the classic Petit Noé style with the non-detachable strap, but you could add a top handle with this one, no problem. And then we have another new bag at top 10. We have the Lily. Again, guys, wallet on chain. So as you're going to see, it's very small. It has card inserts. Price is 1,670 USD. I love the gold chain strap that it comes with. Then we have the micro Chantilly at number 9. Price is 1,670 USD. Another micro bag in this collection. But guys, as you have seen on our selection, we have micro bags. Then we have bigger bags as well. So you just have to be careful of the bags that you would be adding to your collection. So next we have the Speedy 35. This is a non-bandolier version. So it means it would not come with any strap. So price is 1,620 USD. It comes with two top handle with a huge opening, and this is perfect for an overnight or travel bag. Then we have the Nano Noé. Price is 1,620 USD. It comes with the Pochette strap that is non-detachable, and this is a drawstring closure. This is a top 7 bag. Then we have at number 6, we have the Nano Noé. Price is 1,620 USD, the latest addition to this collection. I love that it comes with the top handle that is detachable, and now the crossbody bag is also detachable. Then we have the Speedy 30. Price is 1,550 USD. Again, guys, this is a non-bandolier version, so no strap would come with, but it would come with padlock and keys. Next, we have the Pochette Accessoires. This is the latest reiteration of this style. Price is 1,520 USD. As you're going to see, the newest version comes with the inside pocket, and it comes with two strap, leather strap, and a chain strap. Then we have the Speedy size 25. Price is 1,490 USD at number 3. Unfortunately, it would not come with a detachable or crossbody strap, but guys, please take note that you could put an insert in this one so it would have more structure. Then we have Félicie Pochette number 2. I love this bag. So price is 1,490 USD. As you're going to see, it comes with 2 inserts. I like this better compared to the earlier wallet on chains that we have discussed earlier. And then at number 1, we have the Fold Me pouch bag, price at 1,290 USD. So guys, this one is more of like a phone holder. So as of this point, I'm not sure if the Pro Max would fit in, but if you have smaller phones, definitely it will. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So among the most affordable Louis Vuitton bags, are you adding anything to your wish list this 2024? Kindly comment down below. Also guys, if you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a shopping bag emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at Ramir52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!